Today I'm going to show you how to edit code in Base44 in just a few quick steps. This is a simple process, but there is one important thing to know first. You need a subscription to do this. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast software guides like this. First, go to the Base44 project that you want to edit. Make sure you're opening the correct project, since the code changes you make will apply to that specific workspace. Once you're inside the project, look for the dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is where you'll find the tools and options for managing your project settings. After that, find the code section and click on it. This is where you'll be able to view and modify the project's code. Now make the changes you need. You can update existing code, adjust settings, or fix anything that needs to be edited. Take your time here and make sure every change is exactly what you want before you save or move on. That's really all there is to it. Go to the project, open the dashboard, click code, and make the needed changes. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Base44 tutorials for quick step-by-step help.